Turn comes Wednesday and Thursday. It doesn't look as widespread, but let's go ahead and tell you what you need to know for this week. It's warm and humid most of the week. That's what's going to impact everyone. Some of us will experience the storms Wednesday and Thursday, followed by a warmer and humid Memorial Day weekend. We are talking heat index values in the triple digits for some come this weekend, and I'll get to that. But I do want to start off with our storm potential. This is for Wednesday afternoon. Everyone in North Texas under a slight risk. That's a level 2 out of 5. That's for the potential of large hail and damaging winds. We're going to see the similar threat on Thursday afternoon and evening. So we kind of get back-to-back days of this. Otherwise, it's going to be cloudy. Here's what the timing looks like right now. This is Wednesday, starting the clock at noon. You see the cloud cover around the area. We have a front that's approaching. That's going to help initiate some showers and thunderstorms as we approach the afternoon hours. And that will stay with us here through the afternoon and evening. We get a break overnight. Thursday morning, we start out cloudy. Thursday, as we head into the middle part of the day and into the afternoon, we start to see a bit better coverage of those storms as this front continues to work its way to the southeast. So we'll be watching this. Again, we could see some isolated thunderstorms that have the potential of large hail and strong winds. And just because we're getting an additional round of rain, we could also be dealing with a flood concern. So of course, we'll be watching that. And then this is Friday. Into the afternoon and evening, a lower coverage of rain, but it's there. I'm not completely taking it out for Friday afternoon and evening. I know a lot of graduations going on around this time, so that's something to be paying close attention to. Right now, DFW Airport, 84 degrees. It's warm, it's humid, and it's breezy today. 84 right now, but it feels like 85, so we're already dealing with a small heat index. Our winds out of the south at 10 to 20, and that southerly wind is going to kick up closer to about 15 to 30 for this afternoon, and that's what's going to let temperature climb to about 91 degrees around 4. I don't have any rain potential in the forecast for today, but look at these orange boxes. That's the heat index. So around 4 in the afternoon, the high temperature of 91, it'll actually feel like 94. This evening, I'm not going to consider a heat index, but it will be back for tomorrow. Around 8, temperature does drop to about 86 degrees and into the low 80s even as we approach midnight. So overall, just pretty toasty. 91 degrees the high in Dallas and in Fort Worth, 90 for Denton and in McKinney, as well as in Decatur. A little bit warmer for our far western counties. That's where the air is drier, so it tends to warm up a little bit faster. That's where we get our mid-90s from, and into the upper 80s for our eastern counties where the humidity is a little higher. I know I've given you a lot of information, but here's another takeaway. We're dry today. Tomorrow afternoon, we could very well see an isolated thunderstorm or two, mainly to the southwest of DFW, but most of us stay dry. The better coverage of rain comes Wednesday, comes Thursday, a little Friday afternoon, and then as we head into the weekend, I'm thinking we could continue to see some afternoon storm potential, but most of us will stay dry. Given all that, we could see an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain between now and the end of the week for the Metroplex. The higher amounts will be closer to the northeast along the Red River. And just a Memorial Day forecast for you, temperatures in the mid-90s, but pay attention to this, the heat index. I'm thinking we could see that heat index jump into the triple digits come Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Again, most of us stay dry, but we are watching a storm potential maybe during the afternoon hours during the weekend. Mark?